Alright guys, today we got a new box from Daniel from ZRAM in Germany. This mail's been stuck, I don't know how long. It's been in Canada Post, it's been on strike for quite some time, and I got 4 boxes in there that are stuck from all over. I got a couple from Germany, France, here, there, and yeah, this one finally got freed up, so let's take a look at it. Yeah, oh, nice. Got some stickers here from ZRAM, some Target stickers. Nice. Huh. Yeah, this is going to be his the new Tech 9, or the KG9 carbine. Sweet beans. Oh yeah, you can already tell. These are the side rails, looks like. Or the handguard over the barrel. And this is one of their magazines. This holds the cylinders. I don't have one here. Where is it? Yeah, okay, here we go. So, oh, the gear goes on this side. So yeah, they just fit in there. And then you push them out when you're done. Nice. And this is the body. Oh yeah. So that's where the CO2 will go. It's kind of elastic together. Two clamshells, okay, yep. What's this? Oh, that's part of the grip. So you put your CO2 in, and then this part here will go up over this to cover it. It's all loose right now, so it's not going to snap together. And then this piece is... oh, some more handguards. I'm assuming for a longer build. Okay, I see the... Alright. Oh, what are all these? Okay. So... oh, this is a Z chamber. That's a Z chamber. And this is, oh, the mounting hardware. Okay. So we got screws, bolts, and little parts. Yeah, I'm not going to assemble this right now. I might just do a separate assembly video. I'm sure he has one on his website at zram.com or zram.net. Yeah. So, right here. Looks like some kind of plug. Oh, we got some ZRAMs. Some 50 cal. Nice. Nice, we got enough for full mag. Pretty sweet. And these are the new ones, the V2s. I've tested all these before. These ones, I had good flight results with these ones. Nice. I like the heavier rounds, man. Anything under 6 grams, I just don't bother with. Like these 4-gram balls, they just come out and they curve and they hook, especially with high power. They're just too light. I mean, they're okay up close, but... oh, nice. Oh, nice. Hold on a second here. Hold on a second here. I'm not sure what these are for. Doesn't fit my HPA tank. Yeah, it does not go on my standard paintball tanks. I'm not sure what those are for. I'm gonna have to ask him. It looks like for a tank thread, but yeah, it doesn't go on. Yeah, I don't know what these are for. I'm gonna have to ask Daniel. Maybe I should have asked before I did this. But I know these definitely go in the back of the valve. If they click into here, yep, it's the same M13 thread, it looks like. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm not sure what this thread is for. It's supposed to be, I don't know, for an HPA tank maybe, but I'll try again. Yeah, oh no, I can't even force it on my hand. Alrighty, so I'll find out what those are. And no way. Oh my god, I didn't even have one of these yet. This is a power adjuster screw for the the TC68 from Umarex. Oh, nice. So this is the actual Home Defense 24 version. From Florian and Daniel. But, oh yeah, look, it's even got the arrow on it. Just a little bit more professional looking. And a cover. Oh, cool. Huh. Anyways, and I also have here from Daniel, he sent me it a while ago, I got the Z valve and the Z bolt. Boom, so this will go in here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it goes up in here like this. And then, like that. But yeah, these don't fit my HPA heads. Very, very, very strange. Let me try this First Strike one. I mean, they're all the same, so. Yeah, it's definitely a different thread. That is not... Oh my goodness, I can't tell what that is. It's definitely not working on the HPA tanks. See, it comes there and that's it. It just jams. It won't even go around a half a turn. Like, I don't know what else. The only other threads are 88 grams. HPA or 88 grams is the only ones I know of. I don't know. Maybe they have a different thread on their tanks over in Germany. Maybe they do. I don't know. I'm going to definitely talk to Daniel. But these things are so cool too, because like you can use them on any gun, but any Umarex gun. But yeah. Huh. Anyways, yeah. So what happens is this takes like a normal your valve casing. So what you do is yeah, this casing will get installed into your valve. You take the old valve out with the CO2 tube on, then you put this one back in, And then you drop the whole inner core inside of here. So once you put your inner core in here, and then you shut it back up, and then you can put all these attachments on. Looks like you got the shorty rail, and then there's doubles, so you can have a longer rail. So if you want to put a longer barrel in the tuning run on. And then that's all the hardware for your tuning barrel right there, the little slots. And that's the slot for your spring. But this is very nice printed plastics, nice and solid, very, very, very solid. Oh yeah, some of the carbines I have are really, really softer material. This stuff's really hard, really solid. But yeah, man, very nice, very, very nice. Thank you, Daniel. Yeah, I'm gonna be putting all this together, and once I figure it out, I'll do a build video on it, and obviously we'll get to the power test. Oh, there's a pin in here as well, in the Z-bolt. Alrighty, guys. Anyways, you all stay safe, guys. Take care, as always.